with your help, she'll be back. That's the Gulf. Open there. Yeah, 1900, this terrible hurricane destroyed much of Galveston. So they built the wall 12 feet above sea level against the waves of a concrete wall. So this is part of it.
Okay, well that's interesting. Seawall Boulevard. Once I spotted one of these painted turtles, you know I kept my eye out for more, like a little scavenger hunt around Galveston Island. There's over 60 of these painted sea turtles. Part of the Turtles About Town project, raising awareness for Kemp's Ridley's sea turtle, one of the smallest species found in the Gulf. It's cute. Really cute. Oh, this is a paddling.
Oh, this is a paddling?
Mm-hmm.
Drop in. Paddling trails. Wow. Let's go further down and see if we can find out.
It's amazing. Here, I wonder where the trail goes.
I don't know where you would end up.
Yeah.
You know, right now you have mud. These poles usually represent where the borderline has been. Or, you know,
Ooh.
oh, broken. Okay, well, put it right there and just truck around in the water.
Yeah, so there's a couple, let's see.
See where we're at.
We are here. There's Dana Cove Paddling Trail access point.
Uh-huh.
So, we are here. So, I guess
so you were just, that's a lot of open water, boy. Huh. Chickens by you. while we're here. Let's go see what's on down there.
Okay. That's an interpretive trails road that we couldn't turn down.
Wow.
So you can probably walk down it.
Yeah, unintentional.
I didn't know if it came around that way.
Oh, hell no. I'll find out. We'll find out a campground too. In this place.
This is the bayside to the Galveston State Park. And I guess they have several campgrounds. And they have these cute little shelters for each spot. I'm not quite sure how much it is a night. However, they do not have full hookups.
No.
It's quiet on this side. So yeah,
That's nice to have those little
that's site 14. Yeah. And the beach is right there. There's the bathroom and the beach.
You got your little access walkway. Oh, check it out. You got this little walk thing.
Oh,
there.
those are, was that primitive?
It looks like it.
With tent,
Sure
with
enough. Yep. Yep. With platforms.
Yeah.
Somebody's using
here's
it
some
too.
primitive campsites over here
Dang, somebody's
too.
got a tent out there right now. Must be on that motorcycle.
Quieter
right
campsites
there.
over here. No shelter, but you got
Yeah, no shelter.
you got the beach right there as well.
These are
89.
no bad.
Baby, these are boondocks.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's no power?
Nope.
Oh, there's just water. You're right.
I don't think, is there even water?
Yeah, I see the spigots. Oh, what is that?
No, that's just a post. These are
Wow.
just boondocks.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So
Wow,
if you
you're
want
living
to,
on your own out here.
yeah. So this looks like more boondocking.
Yeah, you have no power.
There may be water back there though.
Is there water? Yeah,
Yeah.
no.
There's a solar generator.
Yeah,
Or,
day use.
well, they said this isn't day use. This is overnight.
Overnight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, so there's mainly vans and.
Yeah,
little-
because there's two cars here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you could put
A small RV.
you could put a tent over here too.
Yeah, you could. Mainly two vans though.
Well, yeah, I see vans parked over here.
Mhm.
Okay. Is there more camping?
There's my.
So both sides have boondocking, and this is overnight camping. Oh, and that's a cool little piece right there in the middle. That shelter.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the right.
There's a little pop up.
Yeah. Oh, what a nice view here too.
Yeah, this is the bay.
What's behind the scenes? Decent. Those are showers and these are toilets. See if we can find the little alligator pond around here somewhere.
Somewhere.
Looks like there's another one over there. And you see that big sculpture over there?
Mm-hmm. What is that?
Looks like a big bird.
It does. Unless it is a big bird.
It's been sitting there for a minute. That's a huge bird.
Goes over there, it looks like.
Okay, so there's the observation, there's the
Yeah.
observation, there's a big bird.
Wait. Jeez. Is that part of this trail?
I don't know.
Huh, I don't know. That's a hot way. That's a long ways over there. There's no way that's here.
Where are we?
I have to look at the Google map.
See if we can find the observation. Oh, observation tower has a sun. Okay. So the trail around here is Oak Mott Loop and Eskimo Crew Loop.
Huh.
We like our observation towers.
Oh, look, that trail does go all the way over there. Okay. I don't know. It might go out there.
Yeah. That's amazing.
No.
The bayous out there.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
you can
those
see a
pretty.
white flower, or
dude.
white. Your pelican over there.
Yeah, I see that observation deck. I see the rocks out there.
Go over there and see if that's a statue for me.
It's literally to the end.
That big bird.
Yeah, is that a rock formation? Oh, that's a jetty.
Oh yeah?
There's a jetty out
Wow, how far are you looking?
there. I'm looking way over there, past
The observation deck?
the observation deck. Yeah,
Ah.
to the left. Let me see. Oh, that is a statue.
Is it?
Yep. See, look right there.
That's
I
cool.
think we can get over there too.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
I wonder if GoPro can see.
Walk over there to see that. But if you
It's over there, GoPro.
see the rest of them, see the jetty.
Oh, the Eskimo Curlew. 2020
Wow.
of March.
Oh, it's out
That
there.
was
Oh, let's hit that trail there, Mama.
cool.
Trail right there goes out that way.
Yeah. You wouldn't walk it? We're here. Yeah. Oh, all right. We'll just put them. Put it on when we get home. Craft time. Yeah. I like doing fun stuff with you.
This is the parking spot. If we go across the street and go down, we can go to Alligator Loop, Kathleen. See, we're right here.
Yeah.
This is where we park. So if we go
Oh,
down
just
a
walk
little bit,
down.
yeah, we can get on that
There's another nature trail.
prairie trail.
Okay. Well, what do you want to do? Do you just want to walk to that statue, or?
Yeah, let's just.
There's the statue.
They have
Maybe it's nice and pretty when it blooms.
yeah, maybe.
Memorial to the Eskimo Curlew. Last seen on Galveston Island in 1962. The Lost Bird Project. Wow.
That area is already closed anyway. Can't even go there.
That's a Lost Bird Project, babe.
Yeah, they said it went extinct.
Oh, okay. Can't even go that way for the... This is a great place for kayaking. We might be getting what, babe? Oh, if you were kayaking? So what time of day is this? So what do you do, go out early?
Well, you gotta go with the tide, I guess. We were to come down that road, take the first left, yep. Then it's gonna come to another place. It's gonna split off left and right, but it'll be a loop there too. This is the side that gets closest to the water. This side over here, look at the map. Or at least is what the map says. If you come and go to the right, oh, actually look, let's go the other way. They have looks like an observation thing over there.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, if there's an observation
It's
deck
over there somewhere.
would be nicer
Well, there's
in this
something
kind of
over there.
area. Well, I don't know what, there is something
It's to the
right there.
Yeah. All right, let's go that way. And then we can turn back and come this way. Probably where you feed the alligator.
Oh. Hey, alligators, I brought you a nice big bread.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's the entrance over there. That was the bathroom we went to. And this is the
There's
rest
a
of the
little
stuff.
bench right here. There's a little pond over here as well.
Yeah. We should get to the right over here.
Look at that little archway. I bet
Yeah. It's crazy.
that's cool.
Little circle right here.
Bed looks kind of cool in the summer or spring. Can I walk down here? So a road separates us from that side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna get a little bench over there. Oh, here you go. Get right down to the alligators.
Hopefully these aren't alligators. It's one on each side, though.
I see that.
Oh.
I don't see anything.
They see you.
Yeah.
Look for bubbles and eyeballs.
Yeah, nose. Nose.
Those are huge
They really
slides,
don't have
though.
to hide from me. I don't think anything.
They're probably like, yeah, no.
It's not.
Unless you want to swim with the
Not
alligators.
in right now. I think it's good right here.
Is that an alligator head sticking up right now?
Where?
Just straight ahead. I don't
I
know.
don't know.
Right out there in the water. It's just a reed right in front of.
Okay, yeah.
I'm being silly.
I don't see nothing. I don't see a single thing. I see a bird. Look at him. He's over there chowing down.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Really? Wow. Like a trail.
Yeah. Could be people. Somebody could be wanting to go over there and fish.
Oh, true.
Yeah. That's a long way to bring all your stuff, though. Good grief. Especially if you can't have 4-wheel or nothing.
Are those turtle heads? See, there's one right there now, too. Poking out of the water right there.
Could be. Oh, I do see it right
Yeah,
there.
and there's one there, too. That was the first one I saw, but I feel like that one just popped up. That or a poisonous snake.
Oh, yeah. Or a dadgum nose for an alligator. Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, it's still there.
Is it?
I got it in my...
Oh, there. I see it. I see it. I had to re-find it. Okay. No alligators.
So is this alligator looped over?
That's what they say.
Oh, it just went down, Brad.
Uh-oh. I don't know what it was.
Oh,
Just-
I got it on
just some
video.
water like that.
Go run out there.
No.
Nah. Oh, it came back up.
Yeah, I see it.
That is something.
Yeah, it's probably a turtle. I see it right there.
That
Oh,
probably
there it
is
goes.
too.
It just went down.
Yeah.
Yep, just went down.
Yeah, it responds to that.
Yeah, they do that.
His head popped back up.
Hey, he's like, what? What do you want? You got something for me to eat? Dad?
Yeah.
Oh, it just went under.
Maybe they are birds.
I don't know.
I saw that one go under.
One went under. Oh, one
Yeah.
disappeared too.
Yeah.
They both are. Alligators.
Oh, it just pooped. Look, there's the bird shiza line that I just caught in midair. I think it goes all the way across. It was the longest poop ever. Yeah. We're out here earning medallions and keeping trails alive. Helping people maintain their trails by walking them. Say hello to my baby Jesus. We are about to get on a free ferry ride. I was Googling up ways to search for dolphins, and they said this is your best opportunity and it's free. So we're gonna give it a go. It's gonna take us a different route home.
Yeah.
It's about a 2.5 mile ferry ride to the other side over here. Where did we go? Is it Beach Island or something? Bolivar.
Something.
Yeah.
Landing, I think is the
Boliver, I think.
Yeah. Let's see.
On the right. It's cool.
Yeah.
Get a little ferry ride in today.
Got a camper on that one. Look at that. Got a vibe.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, it cuts your travel time down. No fishing.
There's the letters. Just peek out your window right here.
Yep.
There's ducks over there.
Yep.
Panhandler. Oh, he just jumped in that guy's
I see.
truck.
He's all up in there, boy. He's looking around for something. No, it's, I don't know what kind of bird it
Dude,
is.
he said wait. Not sure what kind of bird this is, but they're very inquisitive.
They are.
We were told there could be random car searches. I wonder if they use the birds to do it.
Because they jump in the back and
Yeah,
get down in
they
your
were in
stuff.
this guy's truck digging around
Yeah.
in it. Can you see? Oh,
We
in
got
his
one in
truck
there.
digging around.
They had one in the back of the truck
And
too.
now, oh, he's looking at us too. He's like,
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna go over this
look how
white truck.
beautiful the feathers
Oh,
are.
there he goes.
They look almost blue.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what kind of bird? See how he?
Look at a raven.
I was wondering if he was a crow, but they have a interesting song.
Yeah. Oh yeah. They have a
Look how he walks. I wonder if he's a scavenger. Obviously he is.
Oh yeah.
Those eyes are almost gold.
Give me a pretzel.
You're not feeding the birds.
Like a Yorktown place. Look at these birds just hanging out with us. Yeah, we were just moving on, dude. I mean, we're almost there, but we can get out and look real quick if you want. Let's get out and walk. Oh, yes, there they are. Oh, yes, there they are. Oh, yes, there they are. They're doing it for you. Huh,
I was just sitting here looking,
that's crazy. Yeah.
and as soon as you came out, they flew.
Well, we were about to come in there too. Wow.
Oh, so they gave us a finish
They
like.
put
ta-da!
this thing in there, boy.
Do you want me to pull up a map and see what's around her? But see stuff along the way.
Crystal Beach is down here somewhere.
I did read that. If you want to get out and check it out real quick.
Yeah.
Historical marker. What is that? I wonder.
Yeah, I ain't getting stuck.
There's the look. Hey, gosh, how is that truck out there doing it? Boss house is too heavy.
Oh no, we ain't doing that.
Stay right here, but let's walk out. I know. Did your heart like stop
Well,
for
I
half
did
a
not wanna be
second?
stuck.
I know.
I do not want to be stuck.
Ooh, boss house is too heavy.
Yeah.
Oh my
Dug
gosh.
into the
I
ground.
mean, look how deep he went.
I
He's almost
know.
like 2 inches down.
I know. Look right here.
We're traveling along, and I thought we were fine until we went, look.
Well, I was gonna turn right here, but
I
these
know.
front wheels dug in right here.
Gosh. I mean, you could, if you could get past this, you could get on the hard stuff,
yeah.
but dang.
That gum.
Huh.
Didn't
Boss
realize
Hoss, you gotta
how heavy
stay
it
right
was.
there for a minute. It's kind of heavy. Yeah. Ta-da.
And it doesn't have any sticky tape on the back, so
Okay.
that's not good.
So And you saw hiking sticks there that actually had the rubber things at the bottom. And a real compass.
Built into the top. I know. And it comes.
And how much were they asking?
$20 I think.
Huh. That's pretty. Sidecar. Let's see. Can't top my compass. Oh. Oh. Mine almost slipped off. Well, I'll be.
Huh? Mine almost slipped. Yours almost slipped off?
Yeah, like.
Alright, so. First screw right here.
All right, we're collecting more.